Hello, photo crew. Let's move on to step number 2 for working on our photo joiner in the style of David Hockney. So now that we have Photoshop open, we need to create a new Photoshop document. We're going to go up here to the upper left-hand corner, click on File, and click on New. And you should see this new document window pop up. Now we need to click over here to Photo, and we want to select a preset called Landscape 8x10. So here on my screen, that is right here. You will see that when you click on the preset that you would like, it is outlined in blue. I just want to double check that all of the settings over here are looking correct. For this photo joiner, we're looking to have the size of our Photoshop document at 10 inches wide, 8 inches tall. We want our resolution at 300. We're going to keep RGB color 8-bit, and to start off with, we do want to keep our background white. It makes it a little easier to see our individual images. However, once we are finished with our joiner, you will have the option later on to change the background color to whatever you like. So the last thing we need to do before we click Create is we need to go up here at the top and name our new Photoshop document. So here's the format that we're going to use for the whole school year, okay? Step 1, you're always going to put your first name in the file name of your Photoshop documents. That way, if we need to email or turn it in Google Classroom, it is very easy for me to tell whose file is whose. Second thing we're going to do in our file name, tell yourself the name of the assignment. So for us, we're going to be making 2 photo joiners. This is the first one we're working on. So I'm going to call this file Joiner 1. So now when I see this in my folders on my laptop, if I upload it to our Google Drive, it is easy for me to keep track of what this file actually is. So let me just browse through here one more time. Okay, all of my settings are looking good. I've spelled my name correctly, and this is Joiner 1. Perfect. Now let's click Create. And voila, our brand new Photoshop document is open in Photoshop. And we can see up here that we have named it correctly as well. So very good. Next step will be saving our new Photoshop document and getting some of our individual photo files ready to open up in Photoshop and start moving them into our new document.